How to fix Telegram not opening on your PC. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video I'm going to help you solve the problem regarding the Telegram not opening on your PC. So make sure you stick till the end and watch the video. Now without any further ado, let's get started. In order to fix this problem, there are few steps that you can try out. First of all, try closing the Telegram completely on your PC. In order to do so, press the window key in your keyboard and then search for Task Manager. Once you see this interface in your PC, now under this app section, there you will get bunch of options. From there, go to Telegram and right click on the Telegram desktop. Now from this drop down menu, click on End Task, and that will close your Telegram completely on your PC. Now go back and check whether the problem is solved or not. Try opening the Telegram again. And if still not, make sure that you have the active or strong internet connection in your PC, because Telegram needs high internet connection to sync the messages. And if this still doesn't help you, then launch the Windows App Troubleshooter in your PC. In order to do so, go to the settings in your PC. Now go to System. Here scroll down a bit and then click on Troubleshoot. Now go to other troubleshooters and find out Windows Store App Troubleshooter and run that troubleshooters, and that will help you find any type of error in your PC. And that's how you can fix Telegram not opening on PC. That's all for today's video, and I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.